My name is Maryam Hussein. I'm originally from Somalia. I was born there. I moved to Canada. And I'm a pipe fitter in the oil rigs in Alberta. Basketball is a thing that, I don't know, I think it chose me, I would say. It gave me the ability to think that I could do anything. I used to play with the guys all the time. I barely played with females. And when I started playing with females, it was much easier, I would say, because you're always used to the guys, and guys would not give me a chance, I'll tell you that. So it gives you confidence, it gives you structure, it gives you order, I would say, like to be on time for practice, to encourage others, and it opened a lot of doors for me. I met a lot of great people that had influence in my life, and it's not only about sports when you play on a team, it's also about life. I don't know, you can't explain it. It's a lot more than just playing basketball and just putting that ball in the hoop. The girls that I play with that are from Somalia, it's a challenge for them because there's always that risk that you could be killed because you're a female and you're playing sports. The government is saying they're allowed to play. It's just a certain group that are forcing upon others to follow what they believe. It's a small group that are causing all this violence. You should have it in your heart to do what you believe God wants you to do. So they have the courage, and I don't know if I would do it, but it's amazing. It's great to see that.